Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir, and we will discussing about the fifth English grammar. In last period, we discussed about the parts of speech, and in this period, we discussing about the sentences. Okay, this is the second lesson in English grammar. So, actually, when you're discussing about the sentences, I have to know that what is the meaning of the sentences. Got it? Everyone want to understand the what is mean by sentences. What is the definition of sentences? Guess anyone? Okay, I will tell you. Sentences is a group of word which having a complete sense. Okay, not only the group of word having a complete sense. Example for that, market went to Rama. This is the group of word, but this is not a sentence. When you people this sentences make in a complete sense. Rama went to the market. So this is the group of words and complete sense. So that's why this is called the sentences. And definition of the sentences is that a group of word which having a complete sense, which is called a sentences. Okay. When you making the sentences, we need two things, because when you're writing any kind of sentences, we have to give the full stop there. If there is another kind of sentence, you have to put there question marks. If there is a different kind of sentence, we have to put a exclamation marks. Okay, so according to that, they're having a four type of sentences. Statement sentence. In another word, we can say that this is the declarative sentence. This is the first type. And second is a question sentence, or another word we can say that this is the interrogative sentence. Okay, got it? Now third is a command sentence, and in another word, this command sentence, we can say that this is the comparative sentence. And fourth is a exclamation, and another word we can say that this is the exclamatory sentences. So this is the four type of sentence, which are the statement sentence, question sentence, command sentence, and exclamation sentence. This is the four type of sentences. See, we can see the one by one. See, this is the first statement sentence. Statements sentence means declarative sentence. This is the another word having a simple sentences. We can say that this is the simple sentence. See here example, you walk fast. This is the simple sentence. SVO, subject plus verb plus object. This is the example of the statement sentence. You walk fast. This is the sentence, and ending the sentence we give the full stop here. So this type of sentence we call this is the statement sentence. Okay. Now question sentence. Everyone knows that a question having a two types. In Yamizar, if there is a to be form there, we can deal with that, and after that did, do, these are the words. These are the words from starting with the question. So this is the two type. So see the example of question sentence. Did you walk fast? क्या आप जोर से दौड़ सकते हो? And question marks there. So this type of sentence we say that this is the question sentence. Got it? Now third is a command or imperative sentence. Actually, sir want to give the most notification about that. When you discussing about the commands or imperative, this is the command or imperative sentence starting with the verb, any kind of verb. So see here example, walk fast, do fast. This type of sentences we say that this is the command or imperative sentences, and this command or imperative sentences starting with the verb. Okay. Now exclamation or exclamatory sentences. Everyone have a knowledge, because till first to fourth standards we deal with this type of sentences, and this is the exclamation or exclamatory sentences. See the example, how fast you walk, and exclamation symbol. How fast you walk, कितना तेज दौड़ सकते हो आप. This is the exclamation symbol, and this exclamation seeing this exclamation symbol, we understand that this is the exclamation or exclamatory sentences. Okay. In today's session, we're discussing about the sentences and the types of the sentences: statement, question sentence, command sentence, and exclamation sentence. Okay, got it? And this is the example. If you refer the textbook of grammar, you can understand properly. But when you see this video, you can also understand what is the sentences and what is the type of sentences and what is the example of this. Okay. So when you return the statement sentence, you have to end of the statement sentence you have to give full stop. When you're discussing about the question sentence, so you have to give the question marks. And command sentence start with the verb and this is the full stop. This identification of the commands are imperative sentence. Now exclamation starting with the WH, yeah, WH, how or what, and end of the sentence having the exclamation symbol, and this is the identification of the identifying the this type of sentences. Got it? Okay, this is the very simple lesson, sentences, and I hope that you understand properly. Now students, open your textbook, page number 11. In page number 11, we have to see here type of the sentences. See here statement sentence, question sentence, command sentence, and exclamation sentence. If you go through the textbook, you can understand easily because this is the only 4 type and you understand easily. Now we deal with the exercise. See page number 11, exercise first. Open your textbook, take pencil in your hand. See, look at these sentences written by the lazy boy. He has not put any punctuation marks at the end of the sentences. Put the punctuation marks and write yes for statement, write Q for question, write C for questions, and write E for exclamation next to each sentences. So after understanding the type of sentences, you have to solve these questions. Firstly, you understand the type of sentences. So see exercise first. First, how long have you lived here? Which type of sentence? How long and question marks. Okay, you have to give the question marks and write this is the question sentence. Number 2, what is good idea? Put their exclamation marks and this is the exclamation sentence. Write E there. Number 3, we went to see the exhibition. Give the full stop there and write yes. This is the statement sentence. Write 4, we went to see, reply as early as you can. Reply with the verb. So this is the give full stop and this is the C, command. Number 5, did you go to bed late last night? Did, question marks, question sentence. Yes. They have been playing all day. Give the full stop and this is the statement sentence. What lovely flowers these are? What lovely flowers these are? Yes. Give their exclamation symbol and this is the exclamation sentence right there, E. Now 8. What time do you get up? WH, question marks, question sentence. Ring me up as soon as she arrives. Ring me up as soon as she arrives. Ring, verb, starting with the verb, right? Give their full stop and this is the command sentence. Number 10. Would you do the shopping while you are out? Would you, making the questions. So put question marks in the end of the sentence and this is the question sentence. Number 11. We are having a party next Sunday. This is the statement sentence, full stop and statement sentence, right? Yes. 12. Can you finish the work today? Asking the question. So that's why put their question marks and this is the question sentence. Number 13. how quickly the holiday has passed. How quickly the holiday had passed. So this is the exclamation sentence. So give their exclamation symbol and write there, this is the exclamation sentence. Number 14. Start when you hear the bell. Start. Starting with the verb. This is the command sentence. Give full stop and this is the command sentence. Okay. Turn your page. Page number 12. How lucky you are. This is the exclamation. Put exclamation symbol and exclamation. How much have you paid for the bag? How much? कितना दिया है? Question mark. Question sentence. Number 17. Open the book at page 25. 25. Okay. We can say that 25. Open the book. Open. Starting with the verb. Give full stop. This is the command sentence. Number 18. There is a phone call for you. This is the statement sentence. Give full stop and statement. Number 19. What a large house. Yes. Exclamation sentence, exclamation symbol, and this is the exclamation sentence. Now last one. Have you returned the book you borrowed last week? Have you? This is the question sentence. Give their question mark and this is the question sentence. So this is the 20 sentences of the in exercise first. Okay. Now dealing the exercise second, there are a statement, questions, imperative and exclamation. You have to give three example of each. This is your homework. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.